Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome everyone to Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen the Little Crafter, and you're looking at the beautiful pumpkin fall kit from Sassy Planet Co. It is a vertical kit that comes in vertical full and vertical mini kits. It also comes with add-ons, and you can pick your own fashion girl. If you use Eileen20, you'll get 20% off and my PR freebie. I'm going to be working on some journaling pages in this video in my TPC Nation Hybrid Planner. This one is the one that has the weekly, the monthly, and the journaling pages. So here are a few items that I'm going to be working with. I was thinking about using that washi, but then I changed my mind. Again, I'm going to be using all of the kit, pretty much all of the kit from Sassy Planet Co. Again, this is, sorry, Pumpkin Fall. And I'm going to be putting down some deco boxes and some work stickers from Savannah Planning and some school planner, some school stickers from Planner Frenzy. My apologies. And the medicine stickers are from Sassy Planet Co. That Happy Meal sticker is from the kit. The Luna taking out the trash is from Sassy Planet Co. as well. I pretty much do just a little bit of basic because then I'm going to be writing in the school YouTube stickers from Sassy Planet Co. And so in the next clip, I will be sharing with you what I did. Good morning. All right, well, I already said that in the first part of the video. Anyway, guys, it's been a hot minute since I've actually done any filming, but I just wanted to share with you guys what I did through the 15th and so on already of November. So as I told you before, I was using Pumpkin Fall for the journaling pages. So I used Pumpkin Fall for 1, 2, 3, now 4. This one was a mixture of Sassy Planet Co. Not Sassy Planet Co. Sorry, Savannah Paper Co. and Eileen Planning. Sorry, Coffee Kick In. And then we did this beautiful spread from the Pumpkin Fall. I just kind of did some stuff over here, and yeah. Alrighty, guys, so that's gonna wrap up this video. I'm sorry that I didn't share with you more in detail, but I didn't want to keep you guys too long in this video. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I hope that you have enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye for now.